welcome back. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I do hope you enjoyed the video that is coming soon. And also guys, don't forget to like, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and also turn on the post notification bell so you can always be notified. So enough talking, let's get straight into this video. Yeah baby, so today we're going to go in with the BH Cosmetic eyeshadow palette, and we're going to take that pink and we're going to stack it on. So today I'm using the tape method. I'll place the tape at the right below the tail of my eye, what the hell you call it, the tail of my eyelid and the brow. So when you blend the shadows we get that crisp look, so that's what we're going for. So I'm just packing on that pink and orange and red and yellow. I have no idea the look I'm going for, but I'm just going with it. So that's what we're doing here. And the BH Cosmetic, this eyeshadow that I have, it's not really pigmented, so I had to pack on the colors a lot so that the color could pay off. So now we're just going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer and we're going to cut out her crease. Yeah, we're gonna snatch that crease. Hey. Enough of my stupidity. So yeah, so now we're just going to cut that. And the same colors that we have in the brow bone is the same color we're going to take on the lid. We're just going to use the eyeshadow to create a wing. So you'll see what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to take that same pink and the orange and the red and the yellow, and we're just going to create our wing. But yeah. Guys, I realize that so many of you are watching the video but you're not subscribing. Like, come on, subscribe. Just hit that red button, hit the bell so you can always be notified. If you enjoy the video, just hit the thumbs up button so I can know that you like it. Like, come on, like, it's not going to cost you. It's just letting you know that you appreciate the video, you enjoy the content, and help your girl out. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers. Remember, giveaway at 500 subscribers, and it's gonna be a huge giveaway, so you don't want to miss that out. So make sure that you have your notification on. And right now I'm just doing my happy dance. Like, when my eyeshadow comes out really good, like, am I the only one that has to do a dance? Like, come on, I have to dance. Like, look at the eyeshadow came out good. Like, yeah, yes. So now we're just gonna go straight into the face, and I'm just going to take my same LA Girl tongue twister, can't even talk. So I'm gonna take my LA Girl concealer and we're going to just highlight under the eye, Cupid's bow, the nose. And yes, a lot of persons also DM to ask why I tend not to wear foundation. Guys, I live in Jamaica and it's hot. Like, the time is really hot, so I try to use less product. Like, you don't have to do all of the stuff that you're seeing the makeup gurus doing. Like, if you don't have to wear foundation, you don't have to wear foundation. Like, you don't have to do it. So you'll see where sometimes I do put on foundation in my videos and sometimes I don't. So you can do it. Like, it's a preference. Like, makeup is all fun and game. You're just testing it out, having fun, playing around. Like, there is no right and wrong to doing makeup. So just do your thing, girl. Practice and you'll become perfect. So yeah, basically that's what I do. So like if I'm going out, I'll wear foundation, but like when I'm just recording, like why wasting your product? Like we all know that these products ain't cheap. So if you can save a little, because your girl don't got it. Yes. And you do see the result came out just the same. So now I'm just going to take my Fitme Pro Powder and we're going to blend. So today I'm not doing any baking, I'm just setting the concealer, and yeah, that's basically it. So there is nothing much to the face. Like if you want to see my detailed highlight and contour video, you can check the link in my bio. And also guys, I want to say that in life, if you follow the crowd, sometimes you may not go after your dream. So what I recommend is just do you. Be your motivation. Don't let someone's negativity downgrade you or change your mind or let you feel any less of a person. So just go after your dreams, believe in yourself, and do anything that you think makes you comfortable. So that's all I have to say today, guys. Just do you, aim for the stars, go after your dreams, and you'll achieve success. Like you'll get there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As I stated previously, I do appreciate everyone that stopped by to check out my video and to actually show how much you appreciate it by leaving a comment and your thumbs up button. A lot of persons don't tend to say thank you guys, but I do appreciate it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.